Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be very useful for you girls. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So today's video will be all about substituting products such as bronzer, highlighter or any contour kit with other products which are much more affordable and almost every girl have it with them. So this look I have created by using everyday makeup products. We Indians are known for jugaad. So we will do some jugaad and substitute all these products. So let us move to the video.
First of all, wash your face with any face wash. Clean your face with a cleanser. Here I am using Himalayas cleansing milk. You can use any cleanser or even you can use a face wipe. Do not forget to clean the area around your neck. We often tend to forget this. Now apply any moisturizer you have. Here I am using Attitude from Amway. And yeah, do not forget to apply sunscreen, be it summer or winter. Here I am using Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Matte Gel with SPF 50. I have one Lakme CC cream and one Pond's BB cream. You can use any. I'm using Lakme CC cream and I will apply it on my face. We should always apply it in the form of dots. This ensures the uniform application of any product on your face. And yeah, do not forget your neck, or else we all know how it will end up looking. Now you can blend it with a brush or even with a makeup sponge. For concealer, I'm again taking Lakme CC cream and I will mix it with some moisturizer, or you can use any other lotion you have. Oh yes, you should always check the consistency of the moisturizer. It should not be too liquid. It should be of a thick consistency, or else it will end up looking really messy. In place of setting powder, I'm using baby powder because its particles are not so harsh unlike any other powder, and it really settles really very well. I don't know, but baby powder is a savior for me. Now for the bronzer, I am taking the Pond's BB cream as it is already a shade darker than my skin tone, and dark brown color from this eyeshadow palette. You can use a dark shade lipstick as well, or even if you have a dark shade of eyeshade, that will work too. Now just apply it the way I am doing in the video. Now blend it well with a brush. I am using a red lipstick as a blush. You should blend it really very well and just see how beautiful it turns out. For highlighter, I'm using Himalayas lip balm. Now talking about highlighters, they are so much on trend nowadays. It's like the cherry on the top of a cake, right? But yeah, obviously the impact will be a little lesser than a highlighter. I am using Attitude's nude lipstick, but yeah, I just ruined it a little, but whatever, I have a brush. And yeah, we are almost done. Ta-da! That's my final look. So don't forget to comment down below how it turned out.
This was my video. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this video with everyone so that every girl gets the video.